Alright, so I'm showing you my completed build on the JMT, James Madison Tactical AR-15 lower Generation 2. And I finished it up. I actually bought this about a year and a half ago, and it's been sitting on a shelf until earlier this month, and I finally acquired all the other pieces that I needed to put everything together. So I did the machining on a drill press, and you'll see that here in a minute. Actually turned out pretty well. A little dirty right now because I took it out for the first time last weekend and shot it, and it performed flawlessly. No issues. Trigger pull was good. Everything worked great. No failure in the feeds, no failure in the jacks. I was real happy with it. It's awesome too. About the only thing I can complain about is the takedown pin. Takedown pin and the pivot pin are really stiff right now, and I'm hoping they'll loosen up a little bit more as time goes on. But that's about it. The magazine release works really well. It holds the mags and drops them out nicely. No complaints. Real happy with this.